Morning students, welcome back our computer class. Today I am going to teach about computer. Okay, chapter 1, computer networking. Okay, students listen. This lesson heading is computer networking. Okay, a network is a group of resources and devices that can be linked to each other and shared within the group. Okay, what is computer network? Network is a group of resources. Okay, resources that means devices. Okay, computer network compared to the number of interconnected computers. Okay, either through cables or communicated links like satellite, etc. Internet is an example for global computer networking. Another one example of Gmail and website. Okay, computer network are commonly used in business houses, educational institute, hospital, financial organization and etc. Okay, students listen. Types of computer networks. Okay, this is a types of computer networks. Okay, how many types of computer network? There are 3 types of computer network. Okay, first one is local area network. Okay, first one is local area network. Then another one is metropolitan area network. Then another one is wide area network. Okay, LAN, WAN, MAN, WAN. Okay, students listen. LAN. LAN is a collection of personal computers. Okay, LAN is a collection of. All of you listen. See the picture. Okay, this picture is this is a LAN. Okay, LAN is a collection of personal computers and other peripheral devices connected at one location. Okay, this is one location. There is computer lab. Okay, this one server and connected the CPU. Then CPU's whole distance is maintained. Okay, one locator. For example, a house, an office, a school, a building, a hospital, adjacent buildings, okay, etc. LAN is normally arranged with a small area or close group comparison of a small number of users. Okay, only small number of users. Okay, user is me. Okay, next one is metropolitan area network. Then short form is MAN. Okay, this is a MAN diagram. This diagram is MAN. Okay, MAN covers a large area of city. Okay, LAN is very simple, local. Okay, local personal computer. This means LAN means personal computer. Example, school lab. Okay, computer lab. Okay, then metropolitan area network. MAN is a large area of a city, of an entry city. Okay, enter city. Hence, this is network is larger than LAN. Okay, MAN network is larger than LAN. Okay, different hardware devices and transmission media are used in MAN. MANs can use wire or wireless communication media. Okay, wire and wireless communication. This is a MAN. Okay, then another one is WAN. This is a type of computer networks. Okay, there are 3 types: local area network, metropolitan area network, then last one is wide area network. Okay, wide area network. This is a wide area network. Okay, this is a WAN. Okay, WAN is a very large network that spreads across cities. Okay, city side, then states and countries in WAN. Okay, this is used to WAN. The network is set up by using microwaves, radio waves or satellite. Okay, internet which is spread throughout the world in an example of a WAN, which is a combination of many WANs. Okay, one cities to another cities connected the networking. Okay, then another one is one state is connected to another state. Okay, then another one heading is communication media and network devices. Okay, communication media and network devices. Okay, communication media, to transfer data in a network from one devices to another and to enable communications between various devices. Okay, you require a medium for this purpose. There are several media available for data transfer and communication. This is can be classified into two boards of categories. Okay, data transfer or communication. Data transfer means one cell is hotspot is on and the another mobiles. Okay, then is two types: wired media, wireless media. Okay, only today teaching wired media. Okay, then other one is wireless media, then other class. Okay, first this class is wired media. Okay, wired media uses different types of cables and wires to connect two devices. Okay, how many devices? Two devices on the network. Some common wired media. Okay, twised pair cable. This is a twised pair cable. This diagram is twised pair cable. There are another one is coaxial cable. Okay, this is a coaxial cable. Then another one is last one, optical fiber cable. Okay, this is a optical fiber cable. Then wireless media, this another class. Okay, another computer class. Okay, this is a twised pair cable. Okay, the twised pair cable is made up of two insulator. Okay, there is a two insulator copper wires twisted. Okay, together in pairs. Each pair contains of two wires. How many wires? Two wires. One used for the positive data signal and the other of the negative data signal. Positive means plus and negative means minus. Okay, twised pair cables have the advantages of being cost effective, flexible and ease for installation. Okay, students listen. Twisted pair cables are used to telephone lines. This is used for telephone lines. Okay, to provide voice and data channels. Okay, only provide the voice and data channels. Okay, then another one is coaxial memory. Okay, a coaxial cable contains here two continents. Okay, two. Okay, the inner conductor is held inside a insulator with the other construction wire around it, providing a slide. This an insulation provision coaching called a jacket covers. Okay, the outer contractor. This is a, what is this? This is a coaxial cable. This diagram is coaxial cable. Then the jacket, this is a outside. Outside is jacket and the outer slide protect the inner candidate from the outside electric signal. This is a inside is a electric signal. This is a electric signal. Okay. Optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable contains of thin glass fiber. Okay, this is a contains of thin glass fiber that can be carry information of high speed. This is very high speed messages. Okay, and are having the high range of frequencies. They call the typical optical fiber contains a very narrow stand for glass called the core. Okay, this is a optical fiber cable. Okay, students. Okay, students, do you understand the write the important notes, then write in your rough note and study well. Okay, students, thank you.